Delta 437 Tower, just waiting for some traffic on the south side. Let me know when you're ready to go.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, just a few short moments. Appreciate it.
Roger.
And Tower Delta 437, we are ready for takeoff.
Thanks, we'll keep you advised.
All right.
Delta 437 heading 210 on departure, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
All right, 210 on departure, 24 left, line up and wait for Delta 437.
Delta 437, the traffic departing the south complex, you'll pass behind offshore. Early turn is approved, wind 2309, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
24 left, clear for takeoff. Early turn is approved behind the departing traffic on the south side, Delta 437.
Delta 437, that traffic 12 to 1 o'clock, 2 miles westbound, RJ climbing out of 2000.
We got that traffic inside Delta 437.
Delta 437, maintain visual separation, contact SoCal departure.
Maintain visual separation over to SoCal for Delta 437. See ya.